How to fix ChatGPT unusual activity warning. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure to turn off any VPNs that you might have enabled, whether on your browser or on your computer. And the next step is to disable your automation or suspicious browser extensions. So click on the three vertical dots here and then go down to extensions and click on manage extensions. And now temporarily disable all the extensions that you have installed and then go back to the ChatGPT page and refresh it using the Control Shift and then R. Hold down Control Shift and press R to do a hard refresh and see if that solves the problem and the warning. And the next step is to clear the cookies and cache. So you can press Control plus H and then click on clear browsing data. And then make sure to, for the period, you want to select all time and make sure to check cookies and other site data. And then click on delete data. Now this should delete everything and sign you out of your current ChatGPT account, which you will need to sign back in again. And this should solve the problem. But if you're sharing your account with someone else, make sure to basically change your account password by going to profile logo here, click on it, and then click on settings, and then security and login. And make sure to change your password from here. If you have a password or signed in with a Google account, you should also add a two-factor authentication to keep your account secure and avoid sharing it with other people which might use it for suspicious activity. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.